So today we'll talk about Tertiary Scholars Aid. Now this scholarship is a scholarship for brilliant but needy students. So this is one of the best available scholarship opportunities due to its enormous benefits. So in this video, we will cover the application procedure as we usually do on this channel, who is eligible for this and the benefits of being part of this scholars program. So without talking much, let's get started. Alright, now this scholarship main vision is to provide financial support and resources to deserving students, enabling them to pursue higher education and personal growth. Now they are committed to breaking down financial barriers, fostering academic excellence and empowering students to create positive change in their communities and beyond. So let's look at the benefits for actually receiving this scholars aid. So from this side, just let's scroll down to the frequency asked questions and look at the benefits of this scholars aid. So just as you can see, the scholarship covers tuition fees, educational materials such as laptops, accommodation, stipends. So you can see this is a very massive and great opportunity that you don't have to miss. Now, how to apply? You have to visit the Tertiary Scholars Aid website and navigate to the apply section. Complete the online application form with accurate personal and academic details. Now you have to submit your required documents, including a proof of graduation, evidence of financial need, and other supporting documents. So you just have to follow the instructions provided to complete your application. Now someone might ask of the required document for this application. So let's look at the required document for this application. So these are the proof of graduation from senior high school, the proof of admission or enrollment in a tertiary institution, an evidence of financial need, identification documents, that's your national ID or the other, and a written essay. So these are the basic things that you would have to provide. Now the deadline for this application. So the deadline for this application is just 15th November 2025 as at the time of recording this video. Now knowing all the required documents, let's check how to apply. So just a brief about the application process. You have to visit the website Jubilee Tertiary Scholars Aid.org. So as seen on the screen, Jubilee Tertiary Scholars Aid.org. So you have to create an account to access the application form, and you fill and submit the right information of the forms. Alright, so for a demonstration sake, I have to do something for you to see. So just click on the apply now after visiting the website, and this is the account creation page. Make sure you create an account by clicking on the sign up button. So this is simple, just put in your full name and your email address, then you create a password for your account. So click on register to sign up. So once you are signed up, this interface will show up. Yes, that's the application dashboard interface, which actually shows your progression of your application. So you can actually see your application status bar, of which is going to show you how your application is progressing. So then again, you can see the completed session bar that will show you the number of sessions you have actually completed. Alright, so this will also show you the total section remaining. That's the total number of sessions you need to complete the application. Now, how can you apply, or how can you do the actual application? Just click on the menu button at the top right corner here. Click on application. So after clicking on application, this interface will actually show a summary of the application process. So as seen, you can see your personal details, which include your surname, your first name, and the other name, your date of birth, and other information needed. But make sure the name provided is the same name on your birth certificate. Provide your Ghana card number, your region of residence, your town of residence, your GPS address, your house address, the closest landmark near to your house address, and indicate whether you are a beneficiary of this Scholars Aid project. Now let's click on next button to proceed to the application, which is the contact information about you. Yes, so you have to put in your phone number there, your emergency number, and let's move straight to the academic information. Alright, so the academic information include your SHS attended, the region of which it is located, town or city, year of graduation, the program studied, aggregate of best 6 and academic honors or achievements. So you can use the examples given in the box and draft your own achievements and honors. So you have to put in your leadership roles and the organization you actually held that leadership position. Now click on the next to continue your application process. Alright, so this interface is the prospective institution information, where you have to provide if you are attending a university, a teacher training, or a nursing and midwifery. So after selecting the type of institution, make sure you provide your institution's name, the program of study, and you must also indicate your type of admission, whether you are a regular student, a fee paying student, a distant student, or sandwich student, and indicate your program duration here and click on the next button, which is the referees or your recommender or your guarantor. So your referee can be a leader of your community, it could be a chief, it could be MP, it could be assembly member, it could be a head of academic institution attended, and it could also be a pastor or imam, and many more. But remember, parents and close relatives are not eligible. So you have to put in the referee's name here. That's you have to put in your phone number. That's the referee's phone number, its position, and its email address. So you can add another referee with his name, phone number, its position, and email address, and click on the next button to proceed the last page of the application, which is the documents needed. Alright, so you are required to upload a recommendation letter from a referee, and remember it should be in PDF format. You have to provide your admission letter from your tertiary institution, and this also have to be in PDF format. You have to upload your WASI results, your passport picture, your Ghana card, front and the back of your Ghana card, and click on submit to actually complete your application. Now, who is eligible for this Scholars Aid project? So as seen from their website, the scholarship is available to graduates of senior high schools from the over 115 coastal communities in the western region. So students moving from senior high school to tertiary institution can also apply. Now remember, applicants must demonstrate financial need and meet academic requirements. So this is what I have for you in today's video. If you have anything bothering your mind, you can put it in the comment box. I'm UNS Prince. See you in my next video.